Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for those who are new to the channel, you are welcome. Yes, you're welcome. This is your girl T to the E to the S to the H. Tesh baby. Yeah, you're welcome. As you can see, I am excited. Very excited. I feel like of lately, like recently, I've just been excited about the little things and I love it. Well, this is not so little because I have been expecting this for a while now and I'm glad I finally have it. As you can see in the description or the title, it says I got gift from Shein. Yep. And it's quite unbelievable that Taiwo is sure we get fit something from Shein. I tried Temu. I did not get. That one was a failure. Well, first of all, I would love to use this medium to, appreciate those that made this come true. Those that I sent link to that was able to accept my invite. Initially it started with my friend sending me a link to accept her invite, and then when I clicked on the link, I was able to pick like 5 gifts as well. But then the issue I had with the whole thing was looking for new users, and majority of my friends are already existing users. But then the good news. Initially I tried the first time, I did not get, because the link just lasts for 24 hours. After 24 hours it's over. It's more of like a game and I think I like it so much. So the second time I tried again, I just had to find my way, look for new users, and I knew that the target has to be like guys. I know that a lot of guys don't do shopping from Shein. It's really ladies that do that. So I already have a lot of existing users from my female friends, so it was just left for me to look for guys that don't have the app, and then they should sign up and then accept my invite. I was able to do this by talking to some people that I've never spoken to in church. It was after service. I just had to talk to some guys. I'm like, "This you guys have Shane." It sounded like I was desperate, but then the failure for the second time is always like there's something actually inside here that I've always wanted, I needed to get. I know that I can actually buy it, but then getting something free. And knowing that you can use the money to do something else. Don't mind me. So I spoke to a lot of them, and the majority of them signed up, and then they were able to accept my invite. And you need to have seen the way I was so happy that this thing, like, it finished, like the invitation stuff, like everyone accepted my invite, but the existing and new users. You have seen how excited I was that I won this stuff. I actually picked the 5 gifts myself. You're allowed to pick anything from the list that um is being shown on the app. The major thing that I needed was the air fryer. I'm going to unbox it right now and I can't wait to use it, really. And then I picked some other like clothes, gym wears, and all of that. I'll try testing the gym wears for you guys to see. So yeah, that's just it. And I hope, I'll be able to get more gifts in the future. You guys should get ready to sign up for more. Don't mind me. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing video and waste no time, please. I can't wait to see what is inside. Yeah. Hi guys, so I finished testing all my outfits and I love everything except from the jumper. The jumper was something I actually really needed as well because I like the color and the print that is on it. But the mistake I made was the size I picked. So there are times I pick or buy clothes from children's section. Yeah, I'm a size small, so please don't blame me and please don't laugh at me. I'll come for you. I'm seeing you. If you laugh at me, I'm seeing you. So there are times I pick clothes from the children's section, but it's always best I buy it in person. That like I go to the store to buy it in person rather than ordering online. This is my first time ordering like children's section sizes like online. So I actually like the color and the print. That was what actually attracted me to buying it. And then I picked a size 9. What am I saying? Not size 9, like 9 years old, because they're putting it in age bracket. So I picked the smallest size I could see there. If I had known, I should have picked like 14. So it's the hand that is the issue right now, but I don't know what to do. I'll probably dash it out or wear it to the gym and fold the ham. I don't even know. By the way, I love my denim gown. It's so sexy. It's so nice. It's like my perfect size. I just love it. I can't wait to rock it. Can't wait to rock it. It might be a day to wait. Maybe with Bobo. A Bobo show. A Bobo show can be something I can rock, you know. And then I also love my gym outfit. I can't wait to work it to the gym, you know. The three piece, I love it. The shorts, I love it all. And then guess who is the latest air fryer owner? Eh? Air fryer owner. Eh? Air fryer owner. Air fryer owner. I am the latest, so I'm not the blind, but I'm the latest air fryer owner. Don't mind me. I can't wait to use it as well. This is something I've always wanted or that I've wanted for a long time. I think I tried getting from Temu, like when they were doing their gift stuff as well, accept my invite and all, but I wasn't able to get it. But I'm so glad I was able to get it from Shein. And then it saves me a lot of money. I can use money to do something else or something like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing and testing all my outfits with me. Please let me know in the comment section which of the outfits you like. Is it the denim dress? Is it the three-piece gym outfit or the shorts? Let me know which of the colors of the shorts that you really like. Let me know in the comment section. So yeah, we've come to the end of today's video and I hope you really enjoyed watching it. So please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. There is love in sharing, you know. There is love in sharing. There is love in sharing. I'm talking to you. There is love in sharing. And subscribe to as well. Thank you. And bye. Bye. Bye.